Hi everyone, welcome to today's 2-minute bioinformatics quick tutorial. In this session, we'll explore antiSMASH, a powerful tool for the identification, annotation, and analysis of secondary metabolite biosynthesis gene clusters in bacterial genomes. Now, copy the web page URL and paste it into your preferred web browser to access the site. You can submit bacterial, fungal, or plant sequences for analysis. Today, we'll analyze a bacterial genome. Enter your email address and upload the bacterial genome file. When the detection strictness is set to loose, it may introduce false positives. It is recommended to select relaxed. Feel free to choose which extra features to include or leave unchecked, depending on your needs. Once the analysis is complete, you'll find the results in the results section, marked in red for easy reference. You can review how many types of secondary metabolites this bacterium produces. You can also see which contig contains the gene cluster involved in biosynthesis. Simply click on a region to explore the full gene cluster in detail. You'll also see the role of each gene clearly marked, including core genes and regulatory genes. You can also conveniently download the nucleotide and amino acid sequences of all identified genes. Before we finish, a quick shout out to the institutions and agencies behind this platform. We've also added a scientific citation if you want to explore the topic further. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.